Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create AI art insanely fast for beginners. Let's get started. So first what you want to do is go here into midjourney.com and you would be prompted right here. And as you can see, Midjourney is the one tool that we will be using in this one so that we can create this insane AI arts. As you can see here in the showcase on midjourney.com, you can make these arts right here, all of this in under 5 minutes or so. You just need to type the commands, and to use this tool is to join the Discord. So you need to download Discord right here. You need to download Discord first so that you can join their Discord server, and you can join it by going here and join beta here, clicking right here, and you would be prompted into an invite link right here. So once you have done this one, you have accepted the invite, you would be thrown here into the Discord server, and all you want to do is go here into the channels right here, and you want to type /imagine right here, and it says prompt, and you want to click enter on it until you see this command right here, and you want to type your prompt right here. So we're not gonna do that because we don't have enough credits to avail the free version of creating these images right here for free. So we're just gonna use the other commands right here as an example, the other works of other people right here. And as you can see here, the command of this picture right here is painting of a beagle dog and full body to multiple character poses, and right here and more, and this is the result right here. And here, this is the prompt right here: black typewriter machine on clean white infinite background, very clean and minimalist. What you want to do right here is to be really specific on what you want in your photo. Describe it as specific as possible, as much as possible. And in here, it's very important to add these commands right here. And as you can see, he added in the prompt -AR1:1, and that simply means aspect ratio right here. And it says here --V5, but I think the maximum that he can use is only 4, and that means version. V means version right here. It means that Midjourney would provide you 4 versions of prompts from your prompts. 4 version of images right here. It's, as you can see, there are 4 versions right here, and you can click here V1, V2, V3, V4 on which version that you wanna use, or if you want to use one of these already because you are satisfied with it, then you could use the upscale here, upscale 1, upscale 2, 3, 4. Once you have clicked on this, then Midjourney would send you a DM of this photo so that you could download it immediately. And yeah, you could download it immediately right here in your DMs, and you could use it. So after you have done that, I'm going to show you a little tip. If you don't want to be doing it right here, you can also add it into your Discord server right here. Example, I made this for this tutorial. I have the Midjourney bot right here in my Discord server. So all you have to do is to go here in Midjourney and make sure you want to show member list right here so that you can see this Midjourney bot right here. And you want to click on that here. Click on it, and you can add it to server right here, and you can select your server right there. And once you have done that, then it should appear in your server, and you could now type imagine here, prompt, and you type your prompt. Don't forget the aspect ratio, and provide a resolution like 4K or 1080p if you want. So that's all you have to do to create an insane AI art in really insane time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.